Hi, fourth graders. Are you ready for your spelling test this week? This is week 5 spelling test. Remember that if you have not numbered your paper, you might want to pause right now and number down the left margin of your paper, numbers 1 through 22. So you're ready. So go ahead and pause if you need to do that. Okay. If not, we are ready to roll. Our first word is the word contest. Remember to spell in syllables, contest. It'll be a lot easier for you. This is an application word. It was not on your list. They won the ice sculpture contest at the winter fair. Number 2, the word is stray. The dog was a stray, living on its own. Stray. Number 3 is open. Please open the door for our guests. Open. Remember to pause if you need to slow down a little bit. I know I'm going fast. Number 4, the word is explain. I will explain the rules of the contest. Explain. Explain. Remember to use your syllable spelling techniques. Number 5, the word is upon. They shook hands upon meeting. Upon. Once upon a time. Number 6, the word is finish. The horses crossed the finish line at the same time. Finish. Number 7, idea. I have a great idea for a science project. Idea. Number 8, ago. Long ago, people had only candlelight. Ago. Number 9, 100. There are 100 pennies in a dollar. 100. Number 10, second. In a split second, the rabbit ran away. Second. Number 11, unless. You are not going outside unless you put a coat on. Unless. Remember, pause if I'm going too quickly. Pause after every word if you need to. Number 12, even. Are 12 and 14 even or odd numbers? Even. Number 13, moment. In just a moment, the balloons will drop from the ceiling. Moment. Number 14, let's. Let's all join in and sing together. Let's. Think about which of the homophones that will be, the contraction or the word that isn't a contraction. Remember to pull apart the contraction to check. Number 15, afraid. I'm afraid I won't be able to meet you for lunch. Afraid. Number 16, area. I will sweep the area near the front door. Area. Number 17, chair. Please move the chair out of the aisle. Chair. Number 18, against. The rival teams play against each other on Sunday. Against. Number 19, splitting. I am splitting some wood for the fireplace. Splitting. This time, remember to think about the base word first. Number 20, again. I hope you visit me again. The last 2 words are a little bit of a challenge. See what you can do. Number 21, definite. I am definite about my decision to move. Definite. Spell in syllables. in it. Number 22, the very last word. Honest. Because she is honest, I trust what she tells me. Honest. There's a little bit of a trick in that word. Okay, if you need to pause here and go back and check your spelling before you look at the answer key, do so now, because I'm about to show it to you. Okay, here we go. Let's talk about our words. Here is the word contest. If we think about that word in syllables, here's our syllable barrier, contest. Stray, we have the A-Y-A, long A sound at the end of the word, but we have this triple consonant blend, S-T-R-A-Y. Open, we have an open syllable here with the long O, and a closed syllable here, pen, short E with an N at the end. Explain, we have a short E, X, that's a closed syllable. Plain, we have the A-I, long A sound there in the middle of the second syllable. Upon, here is our schwa, spelled with a U. Upon. Finish, fin, closed syllable with an ending ish. Idea, I, open syllable, D, open syllable, schwa, spelled with an A. Go, we have the schwa here at the beginning, and then the word go. Hopefully that was a pretty easy one. 100, hun is our first syllable, dread is our second syllable. Second, here's our first syllable closed because we can hear that this is a short E sound, sek-und. This is a schwa sound though, right? So we had to remember that that's an O. Unless, here's our first syllable second syllable less with the two S's at the end. Even, here's our long E sound. Even, some people say it is a short E, some people say this sound with a schwa. Either way, it's spelled with the letter E. Moment, here we have our open long O here. Moment, mo is our first syllable, ment is our second syllable. Again, some people say this like a schwa, but it's spelled with an E. Let's is a contraction of the words let us sing together. We get rid of the U and put an apostrophe there. Let's sing together. Afraid, we can clearly hear our schwa here, spelled with an A, long A-I sound in the middle there. Area, area, right? Area. All right, next one is chair, A-I, which is controlled by the R. We'll talk about that later, but there's the word air. And so we just put that vowel digraph, consonant digraph, the two consonants together making one sound. Against, again, we hear that schwa sound at the beginning. And if you look here, you can see the word again and then adding the st sound at the end. Splitting, here's our base word here. It follows all our rules with the one vowel followed by one consonant. We're going to double the consonant and add ing. Again, we have our schwa sound here, and here is again. Definite, deaf. Here's our first syllable. It's a close. This is a short E sound, deaf. Net, knit. And then, of course, we have this silent E right here that's not doing much of a job, but it is there. So we don't say definite, though, do we? Honest. We have a silent H at the beginning of honest. So we just had to know that on, and then est is our second syllable. You can pause right there so you can check your work. Make sure to put a cross through a word that you misspelled, correctly write it, and then take it and turn it in to Seesaw to your teachers. Alrighty, well done on your 5th week of spelling. It was a short week, and I will see you again next week. Bye-bye.